Hey there, Dave Gardner here, author of the $2 Secret. Now, inside the $2 Secret, I share some key strategies that are going to help you build your business. And I want to just go through, this is some additional training here that we're going to be delivering day after day. So make sure you're checking your email inbox consistently to get these tips and strategies. So I just want to go through and actually kind of dive a little bit more into depth with each of them, because the book just goes in a little bit just to kind of get you in the right mindset. And so one of the ones is called How Do You Eat an Elephant? And so if you think about it, you really could never eat an elephant. Even a baby elephant is way too big for you to consume all at once. And so of course you do that one bite at a time, right? Now, the same thing holds true with your business. No business is going to go in and be able to just explode right from the moment of inception, or the moment of your first thought that thing is actually coming to fruition. Okay, even if you bought and went into franchising with a McDonald's or a Burger King, you're not going to make your money back after maybe a few years possibly. And so maybe you have to be in business 5, 6, 7 years before you start to break even, because those businesses cost hundreds of thousands of dollars. Now, if you're getting involved in an online marketing program, you can start anywhere from just a few dollars to maybe a few $1,000s for a year. And that drastically reduces your investment. And again, you can also make a lot of that money back a lot faster, because a lot of people are looking for home businesses. And so when you do that, you don't necessarily have to do everything all at once. You don't have to have all your website built and all your social media established, and you don't have to have all your email autoresponder follow-up series, and you don't have to have all the training in the back area. This is something that continually grow with your business and with your team. And as you continue to maybe add more traffic methods, and maybe start to incorporate some other strategies as far as free traffic, these are things that can happen over time. Maybe you implement something in the beginning as you start, but it's the idea that you don't have to wait for a perfect time for things to happen, because to truly say it, the perfect time will probably never happen. There's always going to be some excuse or some other thing that could hold you back. The only thing you have to do is just have that faith and have that mindset that you know that it might not happen today, but it will happen. So again, you're not going to eat an elephant all at once. You just do it one bite at a time. So break things up, chunk them down, maybe start to pull out a list, write down a top 5 list of things that you have to get done, with the most important one first. Conquer those most important things. Yeah, there's going to be some things that are less important than the day-to-day things, and you're going to want to do them, but make sure you conquer some of those big tasks. But just remember, you don't have to do them all at once. They are going to be there the next day. You can continue to build them on the next day. Even if you have to follow up with your leads and your clients, just keep them posted. Let them know what is going on in progress with that company, if there is maybe a setback, or maybe there's a stall or delay in some of those things that are out there. So again, that's one of the strategies there about how to eat an elephant.